tonight. What? Northwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central, east central, south central, and southeast Minnesota and northwest and west central Wisconsin. When? Until midnight tonight. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects, including any untethered holiday decorations.
That's new. Never heard that before.
Remains in effect until 12 o'clock a.m. Thursday for the following counties in Minnesota: Arauca, Carver, Chisago, Dakota, Goodhue, Hennepin, Ramsey, Rice, Scott, Washington, and Wright, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Pierce, Polk, and St. Croix. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central Minnesota.
I didn't realize I left that one on.
Minnesota, south central